to 15 minutes.
Do you like it?
No. I have my own makeup, so I'm playing with my eyeshadow. But hey guys, hey my blush. Hey guys, we're gonna put in my makeup bag. Stick. This is my leaves. Get a cute makeup bag. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not listening. Guys, is it a little bit cream? Moisturizer. This is flour, and then we need to tinker a little bit. Stick. Face ready for the makeup. We're gonna use this. And thank you, bus. So, okay, pepper. This is called a silver, so let's put it on our cheeks, and on our forehead, and on our chin, and on our cheeks, and on our forehead. So let's get started. Okay, on the cheeks. Now what's this side? It's contour. Contour! So beautiful. So we're gonna use this, guys. I have a special guest. My eyeshadow. Oh, there it goes. Yes. It's pink. Oh, that's actually a pinky. Look at this. Now I'm gonna do purple. I see my pretty eyes. This is mascara. And then I just... Guys, my mascara, Mom is gonna do it, so I'm too little. Mommy's gonna do it for me. This is for my girl Kylie, so we're gonna use it with it's so beautiful. It looks like go to next. Look at my face. I'm struggling.
You're freaking me out.
Where is his face? Now. Subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. Love you all.